Okay, so for cryptocurrency, what I did, I think it was about 3 years ago now, I put $100 into Coinbase and signed up for that. And over the last 3 years, I went from $100 down to $70, down to $20. At one point, it got down to like $5. I was like, well, that was a great investment. Then it creeps back up again. And now it's just under $400. And it's just it's a little wild. And it seems like some years it goes way, way down. And some years it jumps up for like a second and then goes down again. So that's my experience with crypto. When I remember to log into Coinbase, which is like once every 4 months, that's the pattern I'm seeing. So what's up with crypto? What is a cryptocurrency? Why is mine doing that? And tell me everything I need to know about it.
Yes. So cryptos encompass all the cryptocurrencies that are out there right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all the other stuff that's out there.
Right.
A cryptocurrency is a tokenized asset that's hosted on the blockchain. And I'll have to explain what that is
I have to
in a
jump
second.
off camera, but I still will be here. My bandwidth today is iffy. Okay, but
Okay, cool.
Okay.
So cryptocurrency is a tokenized asset that somebody can use to buy and sell stuff. It's another form of currency. The whole promise of cryptocurrency, though, is that it's not controlled by any federal governments or any federal reserves worldwide. So, excuse me. That's why people like the allure, or at least in part, that's why people like the allure of cryptocurrencies, because it's not controlled, it's decentralized.